Hello everyone. Today we will learn about linear equation in two variables. As you can see, the topic contains three terms: linear, equation and variable. First of all, we would try to understand each term of it. So the first is linear. As studied in the previous chapter polynomial, that a polynomial is an algebraic expression that has variables with non-negative integral powers. Further, we studied that polynomials are classified on the basis of degree, in which one was linear polynomial. And linear polynomial means a polynomial with degree 1, that is, a polynomial having variables with highest degree 1. For example, if I write p of x as x plus 1, then it is a polynomial of degree 1. Or else, if I write p of x as 3x plus 4y, then it is also a polynomial of degree 1, because the variables present in this polynomial has the highest degree 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Our next term is equation. An equation is a statement that asserts equality of two expressions. That means any statement which includes equal to sign is an equation. Here please note that any polynomial is not an equation, but it can be made into an equation. For example, if I write p of x as x plus 3, then this is a polynomial but not an equation, as it does not contain an equal to sign. But it can be made into an equation as x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now this becomes an equation. Also note that if I write x plus 3, then this cannot be an equation. It is only an expression. Our next term is variable. A symbol which can be assigned different numeric values is known as variables. We can understand from the term itself that the value of variable changes from different sum to sum, and also the conditions applied into it. The value of variable can be changed by changing the conditions in any quotients. We have understood all the three terms: linear, equation and variable. Now let us try to understand what is linear equation. An equation in which the maximum power or the highest power of variables is 1 is called a linear equation. For example, if I write 3x plus 4 is equals to 0, then this is a linear equation, as the highest power of variables present in this equation is 1. Also, if I write 3x plus 7y plus 5z is equals to 10, then this would also be a linear equation, as the highest power of the variables present in this equation is 1. Therefore, a linear equation is an equation in which the maximum power or the highest power of variables is 1. Now let's try to understand what is linear equation in one variable. Any equation in which there is only one and only one variable, and also whose degree is 1, is known as linear equation in one variable. For example, if I write 4x plus 5 is equals to 0, then this equation is known as a linear equation in one variable, because the variable present in it is x, and also its degree is 1. So it is known as linear equation in one variable. Also, if I write x plus 750 is equals to 0, then this equation is also known as a linear equation in one variable, as it contains a variable x and its degree is 1. Here if I write x plus 750 is equals to 10, then this will also be a linear equation in one variable. Now, solution of linear equation in one variable. Any value of the variable that satisfies the given equation is called solution or roots of the equation. Also, a linear equation in one variable, there is only only one solution, and also that is unique. Let's try to understand this through an example. If I write 4x plus 7 is equals to 0. Simplifying it, we will get x is equals to minus 7 by 4. Now substituting this value in 4x plus 7, we will get 4 into minus 7 by 4 plus 7, which is equals to minus 7 plus 7, which is equals to 0, which is RHS. So from here we can understand that a linear equation in one variable will have only one solution. Next, let's try to understand what is linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 and x and y are variables, is known as linear equation in two variables. For example, if I write 7x plus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0, then this equation is known as linear equation in two variables, as the variables present in this equation are x and y. Also, its degree is 1 because the exponent of x and exponent of y both are 1. So this equation is known as linear equation in two variables. Now, formation of linear equation in two variable, if any statement is given or any sum is given, then how we will form a linear equation in two variable. For example, the cost of ball pen is rupees 5 less than half of the cost of fountain pen. Write this statement as a linear equation in two variables. Suppose if we take the cost of fountain pen as y and the cost of ball pen as x, so we will get x is equals to y by 2 minus 5, because here it is given that the cost of ball pen, that is x, is 5 less than half of the price of fountain pen. So this equation becomes as x is equals to y by 2 minus 5. We can solve it as 2x is equals to y minus 10 or 2x minus y plus 10 equals to 0. This is our linear equation in two variable, which is our required equation. Now let's see some other examples. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and also indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Our first example is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Here we have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c, and we have to indicate what are the values of a, b and c in this equation. We have minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. We can write it as minus 2 of x plus 3 of y plus minus 6, because we have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we will get the value of a as minus 2, b as 3 and c as minus 6. Now let's see another question. 5 is equals to 2x. Here we can clearly see that there is absence of y term. So we can say that the coefficient of y is 0. So we can write this as 5 is equals to 2x can be written as 5 minus 2x is equals to 0. Further we can simplify it as minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equals to 0. As I said that there is absence of y term, so the coefficient of y term is 0. It can further be written as minus 2 of x plus 0y plus 5 is equals to 0. Comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we can get a as minus 2, b as 0 and c is equals to 5. Here you note that we can also solve it as 5 is equals to 2x, it can also be written as 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Further we can write it as 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equals to 0. So we will get another solution or another option for it as a is equals to 2, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to minus 5. Only there will be a change in the sign of the sum or the sign of the coefficients, but the answer will be the same. Next we will see how to find a solution of linear equation in two variables. To find the solution of equation in two variables, we have to substitute the values of x and y to get the solution of a linear equation in two variables. Let's see its definition. Let ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers such that a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. Then the pair of x and y which satisfies the given equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is called the solution of it. Also note that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Let's understand this through some examples. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. Our first question is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Here we will substitute different values for x and then solve it to get the values of y. Suppose first value of x we take as 0. Now substituting x is equals to 0 in pi x plus y is equals to 9. So we will get pi into 0 plus y is equals to 9. This implies y is equals to 9 minus 0. This implies y is equals to 9. So our solution is 0, 9. Here note that 0, 9 is known as ordered pair. That means the first value is always of x and the second value is always of y. Now taking another value for x. Suppose we take x is equals to 1. Now substituting x is equals to 1 in pi x plus y is equals to 9. So we will get pi into 1 plus y is equals to 9. Now taking pi on the RHS, we will get y is equals to 9 minus pi. So our second solution is 1, 9 minus pi. Now taking another value as 2. So we will get, now substituting x is equals to 2 in pi x plus y is equal to 9. So we will get pi into 2 plus y is equals to 9. Now taking 2 pi on the RHS, we will get y is equals to 9 minus 2 pi. So our solution is 2, 9 minus 2 pi. Now taking a negative value to verify this. Taking x is equals to minus 1 and substituting it in pi x plus y is equals to 9. Pi into minus 1 plus y is equals to 9, which implies y is equals to 9 plus pi, because negative sign going on the other side of the equation becomes a plus sign. So we will get our solution as minus 1, 9 plus pi. Let's take another example. Check which of the following are solution of equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. In this question we will given an ordered pair, and that ordered pair or that value we have to substitute in x minus 2y is equals to 4 and verify that it is the solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4 or not. Our first pair is 2, 0. Now substituting 2, 0 in x minus 2y is equals to 4 and we will see that it is a solution of equation or not. So 2, 0 means x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0. Putting x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0 in x minus 2y is equals to 4. We get LHS as 2, minus 2 into 0 is equals to 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. But our RHS is 4. Here we can clearly see that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, 2, 0 is not the solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now taking another value, 4, 0. 4, 0 means x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. Putting x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0 and x minus 2y is equals to 4. We get LHS is equals to 4 minus 2 into 0 which is equal to 4 minus 0 which is equal to 4, which is our RHS. So here we can clearly see that LHS is equals to RHS. That means 4, 0 is solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Thank you, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section.